Good morning, children. How you are spending your holidays? I hope you are happy at home, but you are getting little bit bored. So for today's Saturday, we'll do one activity by the help of plastic spoon, which you will use to eat sweets. After eating sweet, you'll throw the spoons. Instead of throwing the spoons, we'll make the instead of throwing the spoons, we'll make an activity. We'll make penguin with the spoons. So what are the things? See this penguin. I have already made a penguin with plastic spoon. What are the things used to make this penguin? I'll show you. One A4 size white paper and one pink color sheet and one black color A4 size paper and one orange paper. These all 4 colors papers we need, and one pencil, eraser, scissor and spoon, orange and black sketch and one gum. So let us start how to prepare this. Let us start. First you have to draw an oval shape. To make a penguin, draw one oval shape drawing and make 2 wings at 2 sides. After drawing this, we have to cut this sheet by using the scissor. After drawing the outline, I have cut this shape. After cutting this shape, take this piece of white paper and take black color sheet and put this shape on that and mark this outline again on this black sheet, because directly you can't make the shape on the black sheet. You may get some difficulty to do that. So instead of going directly, use white sheet and make the outline by using that. After drawing this black sheet, remove this white sheet and cut this black also. Okay, I have drawn the outline. I have separated this black sheet, some of the piece, and now I am cutting this outline. While cutting this, be careful with the scissor. Put your fingers far and do this, and sit with your elders and do these activities. Slowly you cut the shape so that it looks good. Yes children, I hope you are enjoying this video. I have finished cutting the shape. Now we'll take the spoon. We should keep the spoon inside this shape. How to keep the spoon? Just put the spoon here, make the ticks, just put the dots here so that you can cut here. One small line you draw it, and take your black sheet like this and fold it here, little bit fold. Take the scissor and cut this to put the spoon inside this black chart. You can use even blade, but it's not safe to use the blade. So after making a cut here, put the spoon slowly inside it. After putting the spoon, take some gum and put down to this spoon so that the spoon should not move here and there. Put the Fevicol to the ends of the spoon and stick the spoon here. Little bit you press it here so that the spoon should be exactly fixed here. After putting the spoon, yeah children, picture is completely completed here. What is missing? Can you guess it here? What is missing? Face we got. Main thing what we missed here, Okay, we have to keep 2 eyes and 1 beak here. Shall we do that? Okay, to keep the eyes, we can use small white papers, or else we can use thermocol balls, which is good. If you have thermocol balls at home, you can use it. Put some gum on the thermocol ball and put it here. It's so easy to keep. 2 eyes are prepared here. And one more thing what I told. Yeah, beak is missing here. So take a small orange sheet and make the piece like this. And put some gum to this beak. And just you hold it, this one, down to the spoon, little bit attach here and keep the beak here. Okay, this is the beak. And what is missing here? Eyes we kept, white color eyes we got. One more thing what we need, eyeball. Inside this, just put a black dot. On the white, you keep black dots here, little bit small dots, you keep it off. Yes, it is finished. What is more is left? One more thing is missing here, children. What is this? What is that? Can you guess? Yeah, small tail we can keep here. To make the tail, take some orange sheet and draw that orange sheet in this shape. Okay, after drawing this, cut this orange shape I have cutted here and hold this spoon and little bit down to this, you stick this tail. If you don't have orange sheet, what you will do, children? Take a white paper and cut this shape and use this orange sketch to color this tail. That is also easy. No need to worry that orange sheet is not there. Teacher, how come I should do at my home? Orange color is not available, means nothing to worry. Take white sheet and draw this shape and just shade it like this on the white sheet. Okay, children? So that you can make a orange tail here. After making this, what we have to do, teacher? So at home you can decorate your walls also. In the home, in holidays time, what to do? To do time pass, na? So we can take this pink sheet. Just how many possible for you? You make that many and stick it one by one like this. I have made 2. You can make more. And you can decorate to it. You can keep as a decoration item in your home. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Next Saturday will come with a new activity. You wait for that. I'm ready to show next activity. Thank you.